Hello and welcome to Cellular University. In this video, we'll demonstrate the different network options, LAN, Wi-Fi, and cellular for connecting your XPressEntry devices to their server. Now, we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see on the left of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed, you see on the right of my screen. I have two devices connected here, one here and one here. One is connected by Wi-Fi and the other is connected by LAN. Now, to connect your devices via LAN network, simply plug your device into the cradle that is provided for you in the box. Plug your LAN cable into the back of the cradle and wait a few seconds for the device to connect to your network. Once your device is connected to the network, you should see a symbol on the far right of the device, just right beside the battery sign, that shows you that that device is now plugged into your network. Now, depending on your kind of network, you may need to grant your device connection by giving it a manual IP, or your network may provide an IP automatically. Now, once your device is connected to your network, simply connect your device normally. In my case, I'm just going to go into the Add Handheld wizard, and I'm just going to give my device here the IP 192.168.1.23, and I'm just going to hit connect. Now, it's really this simple. Once you plug your device into the network, it would plug into the server and pull the data. And anytime you want to push or pull data and transactions from your device, simply plug your device back into the cradle and it would send and receive any new data from the server. Now, the very second way to connect your device is via Wi-Fi. It is similar to your LAN connection. Wi-Fi is very useful because it keeps your device connected real time, and all the time you can send and receive transactions from the server just as they come and go from your device. Now, let's just give this device the IP, and I'm just going to connect with the quick QR setup. So I'm just going to click here and show my QR, and I'm just going to use the quick QR setup. And it's really that simple. Once your device is connected to the same network as your server, it will push and pull data into the server, and transactions will come in real time as long as your device is connected to the network. And once your device is connected to the network, you should receive transactions real time to your device, either from the Wi-Fi or from the cellular. You would have transactions real time coming into your device, and that is really an access granted or an access denied. If your device loses connection either via Wi-Fi or via LAN, it would send transactions into the server once it's connected. Now, the very last way we can connect our devices to the server is through your LTE connection through the internet, through VPN into your network. So to demonstrate that, I'm just going to be plugging this into one of our cloud servers, and I'll show that on the left here. And then on my device, I'm going to be plugging into the network through a VPN. So I'm just going to move into my VPN here, and I'm going to connect to the Cellular network, and I'll come back to XPressEntry. Let's just reset the data on XPressEntry. So I'm just going to reset the data. And on my cloud server here, I'm just going to go into the Add Handheld wizard, and I'll just hit the QR, quick QR setup, and connect to the network. Now, once your handheld is connected into the same network through whichever VPN of your choice, it would send and receive transactions just like any other device on a Wi-Fi or a LAN network. Now, transactions will come in real time once your device is connected. So in this case, I'll just show you how that works. So once your device is connected into the network, you'll receive those transactions through that VPN channel into your server. Transactions will come in real time if your device is connected to the network, or your device will work offline and send transactions whenever it re-establishes connection to your server network. Now, these are the different ways you can connect your device to the XPressEntry server, either by LAN, Wi-Fi, or cellular. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Cellular.com for any technical queries, or sales@Cellular.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.